simplify the square root of 48. I'm going to write 48 as a product of two factors, one of which will be a perfect square. So what I will end up with is the square root of 48 is equal to the square root of 3 multiplied by 16. Now 16 is a perfect square. So what we'll end up with here is square root of 3 multiplied by the square root of 16. Now I'm using this idea. If you have the square root of a multiplied by b, that is the same as square root of a multiplied by the square root of b. And we learned that when we're looking at multiplication of surds. So what we'll end up with here is square root of 3 multiplied by, we know that the square root of 16 is 4, so our final answer here will be 4 square root of 3. Here's another example. Simplify the following side. So I'll use the same process. If you want to work out the square root of 50, I'm going to write the square root of 50 as a product of two factors, one of which has to be a perfect square. So I'll end up with 25 multiplied by 2, which can be written as square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 2. And we know that square root of 25 is 5 multiplied by the square root of 2, which will be 5 root 2. Same way, square root of 72, that can be written as the square root of 2 multiplied by 36, which will be equal to square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 36, which will be, we know that the square root of 36 is 6, so that will be square root of 2 multiplied by 6, which can be written as 6 root 2.